मैं तुमसे प्यार करती
हाँ?
हूँ हार्ड.
Oh yeah, मैं भी तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Johanna, ये.
Hi guys, my name is Johanna
Uh-huh.
and I like you.
Oh wow, thank you. They're same age. My Indonesian girlfriend. How do you say I love you in Batak? In your language.
Holong rohaku tuho.
I love you too. Is the no become yes now?
Say yes maybe.
You have been to Bali?
No.
Then how is your
We can
favorite?
go to Bali.
Let's go.
Come
Let's go together.
One day we got cute baby too.
Why one day? Today.
Today.
Let's go.
This is my new partner. Oh my god.
Life partner, husband. So she can go to Bukitangi with me.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
India? Okay, let's go. He gave the permission to go to India. So you want to meet my parents?
Come on.
Say hello to them.
Namaste.
Yeah, mom and dad.
Wait, sweet like me.
Less sweeter than you, but till now I don't know how much sweet you are.
Oh my god.
Me and my wife is working in this shop. I miss you, Joanna.
I will miss you too.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
Johanna.
Johanna. And your name?
Julia.
Julia. Nice name. I'm Hers.
Han?
Hers.
Hearts.
Say again, Hers.
Hearts.
Yeah, good. This is your shop.
Yes.
Wow. You guys are sisters?
Yes.
Sisters? Wow.
Did you get married?
Me? Not yet.
Are
Yeah. You guys are married?
No.
Why?
I'm so young for married.
Why? You must be around 23?
Yes.
Me too, 23.
Oh my god.
And you must be 24.
27.
27? She looks like around
24.
yeah, young. Indonesian people look young. Like their face. Yeah. Which language you speak? Indonesian or Batak?
Batak.
You speak Batak?
Yes. Oras.
Oras.
Yes.
Moleate.
Maliante.
Bagakho.
Oh.
Bagakho.
Yeah. You're so handsome.
Thank you so much.
Just daring from here.
Oh, that's fine. Is it sweet or not?
Sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Wow. Are like siblings, sisters.
Yes.
Oh.
Sister, sibling.
Sibling. Yeah. She's also not married?
No.
Not married?
No.
Why?
No share.
Single? Ready to mingle? Yeah.
Namaste.
Yeah. And for thank you, we say dhanyabad.
Dhanyabad.
Yeah. Like you say moleate, we say dhanyabad.
Dhanyabad.
Yeah.
Dhanyabad.
Yeah. They're same age. My Indonesian girlfriend. What do you like to do other than
Hi
your?
guys, my name is Johanna
Uh-huh.
and I like you.
Oh wow, thank you. How do you say I love you in Batak? In your language.
Holong rohaku tuho.
I love you too.
Slowly, okay.
Yeah. Hmm?
Holong rohaku tuho.
Slowly. Holong.
Holong,
Holong.
ya. Rohaku
Rohaku.
tuho.
Tuho.
Tapi holong
Hello. How are you? In Batak.
Batak?
Yeah.
Boha kabarmu.
Boha kabarmu. Boha kabarmu.
Sehat abang, abang. I love in English.
Is
In Batak is abang.
abang.
Hai abang.
Okay.
Enggak tahu. Honey.
And how do you say I love you too?
Yeah.
How do you say it?
In Batak
In Batak, yeah.
it's same. Holong rohaku tuho juga
Holong rohaku tuho
plus juga.
juga.
Yes.
So holong rohaku
Tuho.
tuho juga. Yeah.
Oh.
He's ready, guys. Are you ready? Is the no become yes now? Because I am single?
Coba sarukan. Bingung aku.
Yes? Yeah.
I say yes maybe.
So the sister say yes, it means yes.
Yeah, okay, yes.
Oh. Mohang tuhu.
Tuh holong rohaku tuho gitu loh.
I love you too. Same. I was in Tuk Tuk for 5 days. I was there. But today I am going. I meet you guys very late. Today I am going to Bukutingi. Very sad.
So sad.
So sad, so sad. सकते कस्टमर आ चुके हैं.
Yeah.
He's a customer? Oh wow. First customer. Which is your favorite place in Indonesia?
Bali
Oh,
or this Parapat?
Parapat also?
Yes.
Wow. So you have been to Bali?
No.
Then how is your
We can
favorite?
go to Bali.
Let's go.
Come
Let's go together.
Go to Bali.
Yeah, let's go.
Huh?
I got the travel partner. I don't have to travel solo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, how I can miss that? What did you send?
One day we got baby too. Cute baby too.
Why one day? Today.
Yeah, today.
Let's go. Now 23 at baby at 25.
I speak Batak.
Yeah, your language.
Welcome to Parapat dan di son au merjualan anjay berjualan buah. Dan di son au merjualan buah. Ngeloro kamu tuh Parapat, jangan lupa singgah di sini. Horas.
Horas.
This is my new partner. Oh my god.
Life partner, not partner.
Yeah.
Like husband. Okay, what's the price here? Like what's the apple price?
45 per kilo.
45 per kilo. And guava?
White guava 20 per kilo.
And this one? Big guavas?
15.
15. Oh, is this like cheap? As compared to this, 20 and 15. Wow. And papaya?
Papaya 12
12.
per kilo.
12 per kilo. Wow, it's like cheap. And mangoes?
20 per kilo.
20 per kilos.
Name terong Belanda.
It's like a sweet one.
Sweet and sour.
Oh, wow. Like, is it very good in taste or like?
Good.
Oh, so you can eat directly or like skin? Remove the skin.
They cut the skin.
Oh, cut the skin and then you can eat it.
Yeah.
Wow. इतनी प्यारी प्यारी लड़की है यार, से खरीदते हैं. It's like sweet.
Yeah,
Wow.
sweet. Sweet
Wow.
like me.
Yeah, less sweeter than you.
And more sweet.
But till now I don't know how much sweet you are.
Oh my god.
So she can go to Bukitangi with me.
No.
Sister is like every time no, yes.
So sad.
So sad, yeah.
Yeah.
India? Okay, let's go. But इन्होंने like she gave
Your parents.
the permission to go to India. So you want to meet my parents?
Come on.
Say hello to them. Say namaste to them.
Namaste.
Yeah, mom and dad. Bye.
Bye.
Julia and Johanna. Yeah, I missed her, so I come back again to meet her again.
Hello guys.
Johanna.
You forgot my name.
I know your name, Johanna. Watermelon.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, you cut it and sell it. How much for this? Yeah. How much for this? 10,000. Nice. Are you tired?
Quite tired.
Why? Because you're working from the morning.
Mm-hmm.
So tired. I should help.
You know.
I should help you.
You wanna help me?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's okay. What Indian name? Show me too.
Tomato.
So what?
Tomato.
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 Yeah, tomato.
Oh, tomato.
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 And in Batak, how do you say in Indonesian?
Same. Tomat.
Tomat.
Yeah.
Tomat. We say tama.
Indonesian Batak tomat.
Tomat.
Yeah.
In Hindi, we say tomato.
Tomato.
Okay, let's say it in Hindi name. What do you say this?
This
Yeah.
bunga kol.
Huh?
Bunga kol.
Bunga khol.
Flower of kol.
We say gobi.
Go.
B. Yeah. Very easy. Gobi.
Yeah.
And
Easy name.
this one?
Timun and English cucumber.
No, in your language.
In Batak language, timun.
Timun. We say khira.
Kira.
Khira.
Kira.
Khira. Yeah.
Okay.
And this one in Batak, how do you say?
Pisang kepok.
Pisang pok.
Kepok.
Pisang kapok.
Kepok. Yeah.
We say kela.
Kela.
Yeah, kela.
It's simple name.
Yeah, kela, very simple. We are simple people. This one, what do you say?
Cabe hijau.
Chabe hijau.
Yeah.
We say mirchi.
Merci.
Yeah, mirchi.
Merci.
Yeah.
Jambu.
Jambu.
Mm-hmm.
We say amrud.
Amrut.
Yeah. Amrud.
This is amrut, guys.
Yeah, amrud, guys. Yeah. And this one, what do you say?
Jeruk.
Jeruk.
Yeah, jeruk.
We say narangi.
Narangi.
Yeah. And this one?
Apel.
In Batak, what do you say?
Yes, apple too.
You copy the English name.
No.
You copy the English name, Johanna. We say
Apple in Batak.
we say it's seb.
Sep,
Yeah, seb.
sep.
What do you say it?
Manga,
Manga.
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 Yes.
We say aam. Yeah. रसीले आम.
Gracile am.
मैं
मैं
तुमसे
तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करती
करती
हूँ.
हूँ.
हर्ष.
Hearts. I know.
What is it?
No.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
One
योहाना.
step. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती
हाँ?
हूँ. Heart.
Oh yeah. मैं भी तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. योहाना ये. Yeah, and Johanna, very hardworking girls. Yay. Beautiful sisters.
Thank you.
You have a nice necklace.
Yes.
Yeah, it's look good on you.
Thank you.
Why say you are like not good seller?
I don't know.
Oh, he was a funny guy.
Yes.
You are the best.
He like kidding with me.
Julia is the best and Johanna is the best.
Yeah.
I will help you. Yeah.
Oh, dia mau
So,
bantuin.
मैं यहाँ पे इंडोनेशिया में I'm working with Julia today.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you so
let's-
much.
It's rain guys. Nggak, kan aku bilang nggak apa-apa dia membantu.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Anything else?
No, this one. Put in there.
There? Above this?
I'm sorry.
Kasihlah keranjangmu lagi, biar ada vlognya. Biar ada vlognya. Buana.
My teammate.
Oh my god, you're
Sorry, my wife.
my wife.
Johanna.
Oh my god. Ah.
Me and my wife is working in this shop. Okay, let's pack it here.
You want try?
Yeah. I will pack it for you. So भाइयों मैं आज शॉपकीपर बन चुका हूँ इंडोनेशिया में और काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है. My bus is like I have to go there.
I got that.
I will miss you, Johanna.
I will miss you too.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, Julia.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Very nice girl. You too. Bye.
See you.